வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா February month-ஓட part 2 current affairs பார்க்க போறோம். So India's first green hydrogen fuel cell bus was launched in which state or union territory? So thus Delhi, New Delhi. Shab-e Bharat is a famous event observed in which religion? So it is Islam. St. Patrick's Day commemorates St. Patrick and arrival of Christianity in which country? So it is Ireland. Which country won the U19 World Cup 2024? So it is Australia. Where did the Indian High Commission host the National Davis Cup team which visited for the first time in 60 years? So it is Pakistan. Which age group does the government encourage vaccination as a preventive measure against cervical cancer? So it is 9 to 14 years for girls. When is World Interfaith Harmony Week commemorated annually? So it is February 1st to 7th. What avian influenza virus is suspected to be responsible for the death of king penguin in Antarctic? It is H5N1. Avian influenza virus. What is the name of recently discovered potentially habitable exoplanet by NASA? So it is STOL 715b. Which state's disaster management authority launched the Nitish device? So it is Bihar State Disaster Management Authority. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.